It's like
that is an original. That's
Everything's handmade too. Everything.
That's insane.
Level of detail.
That's how you make a redneck happy. You show them cool ass cars. No lie. This is awesome. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. I like cars. I like anything that goes fast. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're up here in Ball Ground, Georgia at Atlanta Motorsports Park where they race cars and go-karts and stuff. We're here with some friends. We're going to go out and race some karts. And yeah, y'all follow along.
If I'm honest, I'm a little bit lost now, but somehow I don't want to be anywhere else with anyone else.
That gonna fit?
I'm scared.
It'll fit.
You're gonna push my hair.
Oh! This is gonna be a good time. Does it fit?
Squishing my earrings into the side.
Yeah, they got larges right there on the end down there. No, you didn't wipe your eyebrow off. You're good.
My bun messed up.
Yeah, you be alright. Girls are worried about the dang hair. We're worried about racing. They got a watching area out here. We're gonna step out and watch some of these professional drivers. Hey, screaming!
making adjustments as he's going.
That's
Something
ridiculous,
like
man.
very fast. That's a
Where you guys coming from?
Villa Rica, Georgia. We're headed to Helen, and it's his birthday, so we want to stop and
Happy
race.
birthday! We're between turn 4 and 5. When you guys come out on the track, you come out past turn 7. Turn 7 all the way down there to turn 9 is a back stretch where you guys can reach your top speed, 55 miles an hour.
They're scared. They're scared.
They're not driving.
They're doubling, so they're scared. I'm about to send it, so.
You can control the gas and brakes and they can steer it.
Can you do that like halfway through? Can you decide to do that, or is that something
Yeah, I
like?
mean, take a look at the double carts. They've got a steering wheel on both sides.
Oh,
They
okay.
can just grab the steering wheel if they want to.
That's gonna be interesting.
Alright. Sad thing with you guys, double carts don't pick up lines.
Oh, okay. That's fine. We're here for fun.
Good.
You drive.
And you've been getting on my very last nerve, but love hurts, so I'ma say that it's okay with me to just let this be. I know we've been on hold, trying to work this out. Should we pull? I hope we don't fall from all of these ups and these downs. I know well before, and I'm gonna let me down. Holding on to all of you, baby, I won't let you go. I can't let you go. I can't let you
That was freaking awesome. You have a good time? I wish we could do it again. That was a freaking blast. Losers. Oh, blast. Oh, we'll catch y'all back inside. drive, Taylor? You scared? Why? Poor old Ann over there drove. She did good. I was like, I don't know.
Patrick was like up top, he spun out. I was like, that's down. I'm like, ah! I said, slow down.
Down what?
We were going around the thing.
Oh. She was scared. But then you drove. It was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna go across the street. There's some supercars over there, some Paganis and stuff. So we're gonna go over there and check those out. Yes, super nice. Okay, there's more to see.
Oh my god. I think we can
This is wild. This is really unique.
Are you serious?
Dude, there's so many Paganis. This is like a once in a lifetime chance. This is crazy.
I've never seen so much money in one place.
Me either. This is awesome.
Is this the R? Or is this custom?
This is That's insane, man. It's beautiful. Doesn't it?
Everything, all the
Carbon
details.
fiber weave through the just
It's insane.
Absolutely amazing.
Don't take a picture, be like,
Just the lean follow.
imagine I'd ever see us on that person.
Me either. I never ever thought I would.
And
This
here
is
are
crazy.
all of them in
How
the
many?
Eastern United States, maybe?
Just like Pagani Day? It's crazy. Why is there so many here? Ah, okay, cool. It's a Pagani rally. It's crazy.
Yeah, this looks like one of the original ones.
That's a daily driver, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Just, you know, cheap
$2
daily
million, no
driver.
big deal.
Not even that expensive.
It's incredible to see the craftsmanship.
Dude, this is insane.
It looks like
That is an original.
model.
That's the
Everything's
original.
handmade
That's-
too. Everything.
That's insane.
Level of detail.
This is how you make a redneck happy. You show them cool ass cars. No lie. This is awesome.
No, it's a private event.
I understand. Thank you. Not supposed to take pictures. Yeah, I know.
whoops.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Never get this chance again. Not gonna happen ever. That's so awesome. I mean, hot rods are cool, but supercars they're just as cool. I mean, this is ridiculous. It's crazy. We just met the owner of Pagani. It was insane, wasn't it?
Horatio.
It's ridiculous, man. It's never gonna happen again. I know I've said that several times, but it's really not. Oh, they're going out of here. There goes the owner on the first car there. So again, this is ridiculous. So, but it's just crazy. But that's pretty much the end. So subscribe, like, comment.
Don't follow us. Some people saying that.